I've been to Shenzhen more than 25 times over the
Oh,
last 45 years. So I have seen this development with my own eyes. 45 years ago, the population in Shenzhen was very small, 20,000 or something. And today it's more than 10 million. So Shenzhen is a very new city. There's been done a lot of thinking in the planning of Shenzhen, done in a very rational way and logic way. The industrial area in this part of the city, offices in another part of the city, residential areas in a third part of the city. So if you go to Shenzhen, you will find people from all over China in Shenzhen,
yeah.
meaning that it's not only a local Guangdong experience, it's a Chinese national project, meaning that the impact and the importance of Shenzhen will be greater. Certain, the bottom line is there is a lot of experience for other cities to study in the development of Shenzhen. Over the last 45 years, there has already been a large cooperation between Chinese companies located in Shenzhen and European companies, and also within city planning, architecture, and education and culture. And I'm sure that the cooperation between Shenzhen and Europe will expand even more